My neighbor next door in apartment 12 came in here. He broke into our apartment. We were sitting watching TV, but he just opened our door. It was locked. Came in here with a gun, starting shit, talking crap to both of us. I don't know why.
All right. Did he threaten you guys with the gun?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know the name of your neighbor?
His name is...
I'm so sorry. What is his name?
Yeah, that's all I know. I don't know if that's his real name, but I don't know his last name. All I know is they call him.
Okay, where is he at right now?
I don't know. I don't know if he went back into apartment 12.
What kind of gun was it?
Do you know what kind of gun it was? Yeah, it looked like a 9mm. I don't know, but I do hear commotion next door. They're in a black vehicle.
Okay.
I don't see any officers yet.
Okay.
The cops better do that.
All right, go inside your home, please.
The cops need to take her now.
Yes, go into your home, please.
No.
Ma'am, I need you to go back into your home.
Well, I don't see any cops here yet.
He has mental health issues.
Where is he?
He's really upset right now. They're trying to calm him down. He's gonna get really upset when he sees you guys. They're trying to calm him down first. If you guys think this situation worse, stop. Hey, what's going on? He has mental health issues. Stop.
Inside the building with us.
Window! 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 Window!
Listen, we're gonna need more units over here when you have available. More units break. We're at 9. Wait, are you direct? Go Fargo. 141, we should have some day shift guys heading that way. 20441.
What the fuck?
Dad, please, I love you. Please,
Wait,
What do you want, you fucking leprechaun?
Dad!
We're here to help you, Humberto.
Oh, you're paying, you ain't.
Humberto, I've talked to you before, man.
That's something.
Dad!
We're here to help you, all right?
Motherfucker.
Look at me, Dad,
What are you
please.
putting us on me?
I
I'm charging scamming. I'm charging scamming, okay?
What the fuck do you want?
So all we want to do is talk to you.
Get the fuck. I tried to fucking tell you.
We need to know where you want medics and fire to stay towards the staging area.
Sir.
At the park or across the street at the repair shop from the park.
Do anything like that. We just want to figure out
Across the street near the park?
and we want to make sure everybody's safe, including you. All right? Nobody wants to hurt you. Nobody wants to hurt anybody. Okay? So.
Hey, just come talk to us, man. You're not in trouble.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Stop it!
Sir.
Stop
Hey, talk to me.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. When you
I don't know what you guys are. Fuck you, motherfuckers, eyes, bitch. Fuck you.
When you throw sticks at
And I
cops,
fucking all these motherfuckers, motherfucker.
you will go to jail.
I'm not going to jail. You didn't have to shoot my ass, motherfucker. You didn't have to shoot my ass, bitch. I'm going to jail, motherfucker. Believe that. I'm not going to jail.
You need to go get on your bed.
Fucking shoot me, bitch. I'm fucking threat you right now.
Stop it. She's coming. She's on her way.
For what?
That's all.
For what? Tell me for what? I already done fucked up, motherfucker. What the fuck? I already done fucked up. I already done fucked up, right? Right? So what the fuck? Don't tell me that, bro. Like I'm a fucking dumbass. I know what the fuck can happen. I'm not going to jail, motherfucker. That's the fucking problem right there.
We're not here to
I don't
hurt
give
you.
a fuck.
We're not here to hurt you.
Please stop.
No, fuck that. Hey, and I talk to these motherfuckers. That little motherfucker, get that motherfucker about all this shit that's happening, but nobody's.
What's happening? I don't even know what's
I
happening.
can see it to me.
Beto, please
Fuck
stop.
you, and fuck you, and
Stop.
fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you. Fuck all you motherfuckers.
Stop it, Beto.
Yeah, now you're crying now. Ain't that a fucking bitch?
Beto,
That's what I fucking told you, motherfucker.
Beto,
Ain't no fucking bitch.
Beto.
The now subject of Tequila Salam, Gilberto, Vacchia, code 65 copies.
Ain't no fucking bitch.
Will you listen to me,
Fuck
please?
these motherfuckers.
Will
You
you
suck
listen
my
to me,
fucking
please?
dick.
I've never disrespected you at all. Will you listen to me?
I ain't talking about you. I'm talking about
I know,
you.
but
Don't listen
can I
to
go in there and
That
talk
would
to
be
you?
nice.
Can I go talk to you?
No, they ain't gonna let you in. Fuck them.
Hey, Fraser.
look,
Hey,
hey.
Fraser, we need to get
Hey.
these people out of here, okay?
We're not leaving. I don't care what you say.
Hey,
We're not
I'm gonna throw you in my own
We're
hand.
not leaving. Regardless, we're not
Listen, motherfuckers.
I'm listening.
I'm gonna throw you the only gonna
Don't
have.
fucking touch me. Don't fucking
I'm gonna
touch
throw it
me.
out.
Get the fuck away from me. I'm not doing
You
nothing
throw it
yet. I've been standing right here. Don't fucking
You
touch
keep
me.
it.
Get the fuck
You
away.
keep it.
Get the fuck away. I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing nothing to you.
I'm gonna just throw it out.
Fuck, I haven't yet. You're standing out of the fucking way. Do your fucking job.
Fuck you guys.
Fucking talk you what? No, fucking get me out.
Crossfire, Fuentes! Watch the crossfire!
Hey guys,
Back up! Watch out, watch the crossfire with them. Do a mag out. Guns out. A guns out. Okay. He's got a phone in his hand. Think he has gas.
104 through this guy, please. Be advised, he's just gasoline all over.
Have we cleared these other apartments? No. There's a guy in this one right here in 11.
Umberto, talk to me, man. Hey, Umberto, listen. I'm the one that I don't have my gun out, remember?
I can see his hands. I'm not. Second his hands go away right here.
Umberto, talk to me. Hey,
I will burn this shit down.
hey, Umberto.
I will burn it.
tell your
Umberto.
stupid ass fucking clown.
Sergeant Jensen, I think they need to go.
And I will burn this bitch down.
Listen.
Fuck.
Listen, I'm gonna have them back up, okay? Would you talk to me? Hey, Umberto. Okay, appreciate that. Hey, Umberto. I'm gonna get the book, okay? Umberto. Umberto, talk to me. Do you mind if I come up a little closer?
Hey, motherfucker!
Hey, Umberto. Umberto, hey, watch out.
Watch yourself, watch yourself!
What the fuck?
Umberto, hey, talk to me, man. Umberto, hey.
Roberts, watch out!
I need you guys to get back.
Shoot me, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck.
Umberto,
Shoot me.
talk to me.
I don't give a fuck. Shoot me, bitch.
Talk to me.
Shoot me, motherfuckers.
Umberto,
Go
we
ahead,
don't
daddy,
want to
motherfucker.
hurt you. We don't want to
Shoot me,
hurt you. We
bitch.
don't want you to hurt anybody. Umberto.
Hey, you fucking ball motherfucker. Bitch.
Hey, we were talking earlier.
I don't give a fuck. Shoot me, bitch.
Watch out.
Fuck you.
Hey, I'm gonna drop, so if you need to go over.
Gotcha.
Umberto.
Oh, you want to
What can I,
shoot?
hey, talk to me.
Yeah, I'm sure you want to
Umberto,
shoot.
hey, talk to me. Work this out, huh?
Kill me?
Well, I don't want to
That's
do that.
that's the only way I'm getting out of here. But you guys killing me.
But
I swear to God.
let's just talk
Swear to
about
God.
this, man. Let's just talk
Swear to
about
God.
this, okay?
Look at my mama.
I want to
I'll come out
actually,
here with the fucking knife and I'll attack you. And you're going to shoot me
listen,
down,
I
motherfucker.
just want to help. Okay?
Fuck you.
Don't do that. I just want to help you, okay? Umberto, I just want to help,
I'm not going to fucking jail, dog. Hell no.
okay? I'm trying to understand what's going on. I'm trying to help you, all right? Umberto,
Coming out.
Umberto,
Can't see that. Can't see that right hand. Can't see the right hand.
Umberto.
Empty right hand. Empty right hand.
I got gas all over this bitch.
I know you do.
No weapons.
I got gas all over this bitch. I'm gonna fuck you. Do it.
Umberto, hey, Umberto.
There it is.
Talk to me, man.
How many has Lesito?
Umberto,
Sarge has it.
Lesito.
That Sarge has it. Yeah. Sarge got it.
Please.
Do it.
Davis to Graham, what's your location?
Do it. Fuck you guys. Fucking do it.
Glade and Francis.
you're talking before that.
Do it.
10-4. Pulling up with you now.
Listen, Umberto, you're talking to me about being stupid.
We're good.
I know, but I just want to talk to you and me.
Fuck around. I'll pay this bitch.
Hey, his hands are empty right now.
But lower the voices.
Hey, and also Castillo, we've got a pretty bad crossfire with those guys across the way too, just in case. So just be careful, all right? If he comes out.
I don't want that. So what was that?
Yeah, I don't like where I'm at with Sergeant. Sergeant though.
Go ahead. Is he the only one in the residence? Hey, sir, he's in the doorway right now. We have contact.
He's got gas all over the building though, and there's people in 911 right now.
He has 4 gas all inside the building, or inside his apartment. But as far as I know, he's the only one inside.
What you guys have to do is get your habit plates on and rotate. I can see.
Smoke coming from the inside of the door. I don't know if you heard it. You didn't hear it.
Hey, are you okay?
shots fired. Subject's not moving and there's a fire inside of the apartment. Moving now. He's moving. He's taking his legs. B is moving.
Delta Davis, I have SWAT en route 1018. Correct.